Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing this wonderful makeup look, and if you do like this look, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. First up, we're going to be using face oil. I'm using the Cora Organics Noni Glow face oil. It's a perfect face oil for winter. It keeps the skin hydrated and is the perfect friend to your base. Just a few drops in the face and massage it all over. Next up, we're using the Forest Essentials Lip Balm. Let's keep those lips hydrated as well. We're all set to start with our makeup. First up, I'm using the Maybelline Concealer to start with the eyeshadow. We're using it as an eye primer and we're going to be setting this concealer with a loose powder. You can use any concealer and any loose powder that is available with you. This will create the perfect canvas for our eyeshadow look. Just setting it with the loose powder. Today we're using the Morphe X James Charles palette. It's a colorful palette. It's an amazing palette. We're using this dark purple shade. We're going to be applying it all over the crease, just above the lid. Next up, we take this pink eyeshadow and use it as a transition and apply it above the purple eyeshadow and blend all the harsh lines. Keep on blending. Next up, I'm taking this green metallic pigment and applying it all over the lid. For a more subtle approach, you can skip the glitter and straight away go on to the eyeliner. But we will be applying a glitter here today. Next up, I'm using the NYX glitter primer and applying the glitter. I'm applying a fine green glitter. Next up, we're using the Color Bar All Matte eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner. Starting with the face, I'm applying the Love Earth Handmade Vitamin C SPF 50 sunscreen. Make sure you always remember your neck. Next up, I'm using the primer Professional by Benefit. It's a wonderful primer. Just apply a tiny bit on your T-zone. Next up, we're using the LA Girl Conceal in the shade Warm Honey. We're using an orange tint concealer. It's a great concealer for medium to dark skin tones in India. Just apply under the eye, around the mouth, or anywhere you feel you have pigmentation or any blemishes. It's extremely lightweight. Using a damp beauty blender, blend it all out. Next up, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, so we need only a little bit. Don't forget your neck. Next up, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Applying it all over the high points of the face. Next up, we're just setting it with loose powder. We're going to apply a very little amount of loose powder because we want to keep the skin hydrated and beautiful. Next up, I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. Blend, blend, blend. Make sure you always blend your bronzer or contour. Next up, I'm using the K by Katrina blush in the shade Coral Charm. It's a super pigmented blush, so keep your hand light with this one and blend it with your contour. Next up, we're going to finish the eye. We're going to use the same dark purple eyeshadow and apply it all over under the waterline. And blend it with a fluffy brush. This will make sure that your eye looks combined together. Next up, I'm using the Kiko Milano mascara before we apply the lashes. We just need one coat of mascara because we'll be applying falsies. And we're done with the lashes. How beautiful does it look? Next up, we're moving on to highlighter. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And look at that highlight. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm using the Precisely My Brow pencil by Benefit. Moving on to lips, I'm using a Kylie Cosmetics pink lipstick. It's from their holiday collection. And we're ready with this final look. And how beautiful is this looking? Loving the glitter, loving the glam. And I hope you'd like this look. If you do, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and do share my video with your friends and family. And if you do try this look, please do tag me on my Instagram at @Lavanya Midha Beauty. Thank you for all your love and support. Stay tuned for more such makeup tutorials.